ayan mga kalangoy. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dagat ng Pico del Oro. Ayan yung view. Ayan yung view niya. Ayan yung dagat. Medyo low tide ngayon eh.
I don't like Colin. I bought it. Okay, wait. Okay. So, like, Colin was such wasted potential because in the previous season he was such a dork. Why didn't you keep him young? Why didn't